Hi, law aspirants. Have you heard about India's biggest preparation event? Legal Edge is hosting the CLAT Conclave from 3rd to 5th September. It is 3 days of fun filled and insightful events and sessions to help you crack your way to your dream law college. If you haven't heard about the event, do not worry. In this video, we are going to discuss what we have in store for you. And without further ado, let's go. So first questions first, why should you attend the CLAT Conclave of 2021? If you are aspiring to attempt CLAT examination of 22 or 23, whether you are a fresher, whether you are a dropper, or even especially if you're still considering if law is the best profession for you, you absolutely must attend this event. The registrations are absolutely free. You'll find all the links for it down in the description box. And it is going to be 3 days of insightful and knowledgeable sessions with 10 years of experience that Legal Edge has in preparing and honing students for their dream law college. Legal Edge is proud to boast about its excellent faculty team who each hold about 7+ years of experience in the subject that they teach over here, and you get a chance to attend a prep session with these mentors and get an insight on how you can begin preparation for these subjects, how you can process, understand, and become an expert in these subjects before you even sit for the examination. As you guys might be aware, that recently the CLAT Consortium has changed the pattern of how they conduct this examination, which means that you will also need new skill sets and you need to have information and knowledge about how best you can attempt this examination. Do not worry, Legal Edge has your back in this matter. In the CLAT Conclave, you get to attend a live CLAT prep strategy discussion where we will discuss tips, tricks, strategies, and analysis of how you can use your time, energy, and knowledge in the best possible manner to excel in the exam. Okay. So by far, this is one of my favorite events that is going to be part of the CLAT Conclave. What happens is when you register for the CLAT Conclave, you get to take part in the All India Open Mock CLAT test, which is going to be very similar to how you can expect questions to come in the actual CLAT examination. And this gives you an opportunity to compete with all the serious CLAT aspirants across the nation and track your preparation and progress before you attempt the actual examination or decide if law is the right career path for you. So I love this event. Please do participate in it. It is going to be extremely beneficial for all you CLAT aspirants. So who better to guide you and relate with than students who have appeared for the exam and succeeded with flying colors. So in the CLAT Conclave, you get to participate in a discussion forum with the CLAT toppers of 2021. You can interact with them, and I'm sure they have some amazing insights to give to all of you students on how they prepared and how they strategized into excelling at the exam. So we absolutely endorse this as a principle, and we also try to abide by it to our best. But there is nothing like practice to make you perfect, and that is why in the CLAT Conclave, you get an opportunity to participate in CLAT practice sessions and numerous live quizzes based on different subjects and topical tests, and you get to take part and see what kind of questions can be framed out of these particular subjects and how best you can attempt and choose the most appropriate option in a time-pressured environment like you might be in the examination itself. So after all these fun and exciting events of 3rd and 4th September, we invite you to participate in the All India Scholarship and Admission Test to be held on the 5th of September, where we are assuring scholarships for all our upcoming batches, and you can select the batch that best suits your needs. We'd be happy to welcome you guys aboard on the Legal Edge family. Please remember to participate, guys. The conclave is from 3rd to 5th September. The links are down in the description box. Do remember that all of these events are taking place on our website, and that is why it is necessary that you register to be able to participate in all these events. We are so excited. We hope to see a lot of you over there. Bye guys. Please take care. Do remember to follow us on all our social media handles, where we will keep updating you with all these exciting events and a lot more. Bye.